There's an endless horizon just up ahead. There's a new day awaiting. It's closer than I've been. Going after this wildlife. Not gonna stop till we touch the sky. We're coming alive. Now is the time. This is the start.
Tandaan ninyo na ang kasal ay hindi lamang isang championship game na matatapos sa isang set o ng ilang set, sapagkat ito ay isang habang buhay na laban na haharapin ninyong dalawa, hindi bilang magkalaban, kundi bilang magkakampi.
Feel the wind blow us all. Yesterday's past. Running into the unknown. Knowing our love
Sana pera. Pera ba to? Wow! Another one. USD, let's go! Wow, ang ganda. Thank you, Bob.
now is the time. This is the start of something new. The start of something new. Open eyes, open skies, shining light, a million lights. All my life, I've been waiting.
Roniel, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib ang babaeng ito, si Sherry Ann, na iyong pakamamahalin at iyong paglilingkuran habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Oo, Father.
Salamat dahil sa'yo. Nalaman ko kung gaano kasarap magmahal at mahalin. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I love you so much, Bob. Kahit anong mangyari, magkasama tayo. Mahal na mahal kita. From Bobby.
You are my answered prayer, my safe place, my constant. You've seen me in my strongest moments and my weakest ones, and still, you choose me. Every single day.
Sherry Ann, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib ang lalaking ito na iyong pakamamahalin at iyong paglilingkuran habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Father.
The start of something new.
I never thought that the place I love the most would lead me to the person I would love for the rest of my life. We met on my favorite court under the sun with sun beneath our feet, chasing a ball we both love. And somehow, in the middle of that game, I found you. Not just a teammate, not just as someone who showed up, but as someone who would quietly change everything.
That all this time and soften lights are better than before.
Bob, gusto ko ng 6 na anak. Para may first 6 na agad tayo sa court. Team Rosales, ready to play na agad.
Sailing through the seasons with every setting sun.
I still smile when I think about how you were the guy who wanted to cook for the team. Never imagining that one day you would be the one I come home to, the one who would take care of me, love me, and build a life with me.
You're my safe and sound.
At noong gabi na yon, may binitawan akong pangako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, kapag ako nagka-jowa ng player, siya na ang pakakasalan ko at makakasama habang buhay. At ngayon, heto ka sa harap ko, wearing white, at handang pa rin ang pangarap na yun kasama ko.
I vow to keep choosing you even in the ordinary days, to laugh with you, grow with you, and never stop falling in love with you in new and quiet days. I love you, Bobby.
Will not change.
I love you so much, Bob. Ikaw ang aking kampyon, ang aking tahanan, at ang aking habang buhay.
What I once questioned, I now understand. Every path I walk, even the difficult ones, was guiding me closer to this moment, to this love, to you.
Sapagkat sa pagkakataon po na ito, ang goal po ng dalawang ito ay ang pagpili sa isa't isa bilang pinakamahalagang layunin sa kanilang buhay. Sabi nga ng kanta ng Ben and Ben, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw.
My love will not change. Through the years it grows, but time will hold the weight. My love will not change.